To start our design challenge 2, our group did some basic observations of chairs that we are likely to see every day. Nothing too fancy or crazy, but more so the common looking chairs and stools that are more likely to be seen every day. We figured keeping it simple was the best approach, so we want to get our hands full. We began brainstorming ideas and just blurting out whatever came to our minds to try and get the creative side of our brains working. Eventually, we came to a decision and came up with some blueprints. Fortunately, we were lucky enough to have one of our group members, Corbin, be an engineering major and draw the blueprints up for us. Once we had the blueprints down, we were ready to attack this thing full on. We began with our first idea for the chair, which was basically a normal chair with just 4 legs. We figured we would use this as the base and continue to build upon it as we went on. As you can see, none of us were super eager to test the first chair. After a little debate, one of our brave members, Jai Long, agreed to be the first to test the chair. He is well under 200 pounds, but we figured since it was just a test run, it would be okay. While he was able to sit in the chair, he said it was definitely not sturdy enough to hold much more than him, so it was back to the drawing board. We began refining and continually testing our chair as it got stronger and stronger. Eventually, we came to our final product, which had an extra leg in the center of the chair, as well as crossbars on the legs to add extra support and sturdiness. Now was the moment of truth. Implementation. I decided I would test our final chair as it weighed about 230 pounds. I was honestly surprised when it held my full weight. I then called my roommate in and had him sit on it, and it also held him. So to turn it up a notch, I then sat on his lap to test the limits of our chair, and shockingly it held. Well, at least for about 10 seconds before almost 450 collective pounds between the two of us caused it to crash down. But overall, it was a successful test.